I wonder if I know how to dance for the talent show. Word. I will never be able to dance. How do you dance like that?
Yo dude, it is easy man.
Teach me. I want to learn.
Okay dude.
Who is dude?
You are. Okay, show me what you got so far.
Word. Oh yeah. I got my groove thing on.
Try that again differently, cause it was kinda pointless. What are you doing? I told you to dance.
I am sleeping. Durr.
Do you want me to help you or not?
I already know how to dance. See?
Okay then. Well, bye.
No. Don't go. I am dead.
You are breathing. I'm not stupid.
Really, cause I thought you were.
David is out. Peace. She was cute. Why did I leave her? I will go back. Hello.
Best day ever.
Woohoo.
The end.